Nani's World. I'm Nani. I received some plants from the sale a while back that I ordered, and most of them were almost dead. A few of them were actually doing pretty good, but one of them died completely out. And I was in contact with them about it. They were very nice about the situation, and they offered me um, more plants that I could choose the plants that I wanted to replace the one that I lost. So I found out how much it was, so they let me get the amount of plants to add up to the one that I lost. And they were real nice about it, and I'm probably gonna actually do business with them again. But I received the plants in the mail yesterday. As you can see, the package is packaged very nicely, a whole lot better than the one I received the first time. So I wanted to at least try again to do an unboxing and share it with you guys. So here we go. Let's see what I got this time and pray that I'm satisfied this time. The last box I received, it was like dirt falling all out of the box when I brought it in the house. When I got it open, plants thrown all over the place and didn't know which was which. It comes with an envelope showing you what plants they are. And I guess this is the invoice. Yeah, this is the invoice. But they are. They're packaged so much better than they were the last time. This wasn't even like this. This was all out of the paper. The dirt was falling all out. The plants, some of them, the dirt wasn't even in the pot. It was in the box. Okay. It's so pretty. Yes, I love the way they packaged it this time. This is my rattlesnake calatheum. Calathea. Sit there. It's so pretty. This is a lot better than the last time. The dirt is nice and wet, if you can see. It's nice and wet. It's not falling all out of the pot. And the plant is beautiful. The underside. And that's how it looks up top. It's so pretty. Yes, definitely satisfied with this one. Okay, and the next one I have is a Moonlight Philo Philodendron. It's pretty from the top so far. This, guys, it's beautiful. I know I make a big mess in here. The less mess I make, the less mess I have to clean up. This is pretty. It's got baby leaves on it. This one in here. It's about to unwrap. It's pretty. This leaf is a little damaged, but all in all, it looks good too. This is a Moonlight Philodendron. Pretty. Yes, I am very satisfied with these two. So, yes, I will be reordering. As long as they come like that, I will be reordering. And the ones that I did get, they done a lot better than they was on when I unboxed it. I actually still have the footage for the unboxing, but I didn't want to put it out there like that because I didn't want to ruin nobody's name. I don't want to bad talk anybody because it's a good company and the plants are nice. And not all of them were ruined and during the shipping. So, yeah, I'm satisfied with those. And the other ones are darn good. But the one that didn't make it was my Chinese money plant. The one that I really wanted when by the time they contacted me back about this first order, I had already ordered two Pilea plants. So I wasn't gonna get the same one over again. So I was glad they worked with me enough to get two plants in the place of that one. And yeah, I'll definitely be reordering from them. I have a couple of things in store for my channel, and I'm gonna branch off and make another channel called The Eatery, which I'll be cooking on. I'm working on that now. It's a work in progress. It's called The Eatery. My name is Terry, so I'm calling it The Eatery, but it's pronounced Eatery. It's E apostrophe Terri, which spells out my name, and it's called The Eatery. And on that channel, I'll be doing collabs with my daughter. Some of y'all might know her. Homeschool Royalty is my oldest daughter, and we'll be doing collabs together on those channels. Her channel is going to be called The Cafeteria. Her name is Taria, but when you say it, it's going to be Cafeteria. And it will be spelled Cafeteria. Cafeteria. So we had that in store for you. Prayfully, the first episode will be for Thanksgiving. We'll be like going throughout the week. We'll be doing different stages of the meal. So, like episode 1 will be when I prepare my turkey and get it ready to go in the oven on Wednesday night. So, on Monday night, I'll be on vacation because I'm taking my vacation that week. For the 12th to the 21st, I'll be on vacation. I'm off on Thanksgiving anyway, and Friday is my regular day off. So, throughout that week, on Monday, I'll be preparing my turkey. On Tuesday, we'll be doing other things. So I'm not sure what we'll be preparing, in what order we'll be preparing. But episode 1 will be preparing the turkey. So I'll look forward to working with my daughter and look forward to sharing with you guys our Thanksgiving meal in progress as we go through the week. And as far as this channel, I'll still be doing my plant tours, my crocheting, which I made this blue ombre tam hat, and I wear it different kind of ways. I wear it like this, I bring it to the side, I throw it to the back, any kind of way. I guess it depends on how I'm feeling for that day. And as for my plants, one of my plants is extremely overgrown, and I'm trying to decide whether I should break it and just let it grow again because it's really leaning over. It's right here in this corner. You guys can see her. Okay, and there she goes. She's really overgrown. It's bending over, and yeah, I need to do something with her. So, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Should I break her and start another plant? But I'm going to keep the plant inside that pot so it can grow some more. And I might cut the stalk down some and put that in water so it can grow some more. So if y'all have any suggestions for me, just let me know. Let's see. I can't think of too much more right now that I'm gonna do. But I'll keep you posted and let you know what direction I'm going and what day I'll be doing what. So thank you guys for watching Nani's World. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Have a great day.